Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. And right now I'm standing here in a very beautiful place. As you can see around me, there are lots of paddy field over here. I'll try to show you the condition of this area. As you can see, look over there, there are lots of paddy field. Look in the side, look over there, this is a big paddy field. As you can see, I'll try to show you the whole side of me. As you can see, look over there, look on the side, look over there, that is my village. And right now I'm standing in the middle of this field, and this is a fallow land. As you can see, one of my uncle's fallow land. And right now I'm recording this video only for my English practicing purpose, because I'm a farmer as well as an English learner like you. Actually, most of you think that I'm English teacher, but dear brother, you are totally wrong. I'm not an English teacher. I'm a boy of a village, and I'm a farmer as well as a shop worker. I work in a pesticide shop for my financial support. So dear brother, actually I record all this video only for my English practicing purpose, and most of you probably think that why I record my videos every single day, why I share this video on YouTube or on my Facebook page. Actually, there is only a reason, that is satisfaction. Actually, I got satisfaction to upload this video on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. So actually I got so many reactions and I got so many comments, and these comments are really make me happy and get me inspiration. So that's the main thing, dear brother. Actually, there is also another thing, that is practicing. Actually, I don't have any English speaking partner permanently, so that's why every single day I try to make these types of practicing video, and I'm trying to enhancing myself, and I'm trying to develop my English speaking level, and I'm trying to enhance myself in English. So that is the main thing, dear brother. So I hope that you got my point. So I will request you, many of you ask me that, dear brother, I don't have any English speaking partner. When I try to speak with someone, they avoid my proposal. What should I do now? So dear brother, I will request you, you can practice your English language like me, because there is no anyone in this world who properly support you, because you are a beginner. You have to control yourself, you have to try it to yourself. So don't delay, don't be hesitation, don't get angry with you, just start your journey from today. So I hope that you will start your journey from today. And if you don't have any English speaking partner, I'm inviting you, you can message me or you can call me on my WhatsApp. So dear brother, no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.